The GMK67 Keyboard Kit offers a versatile tri-mode connection, making it an ideal choice for both traveling and working outdoors with its impressive 3000 mAh battery. Featuring an amazing RGB lighting system, this keyboard kit provides 18 different lighting modes, enhancing your gaming experience with customizable illumination. The Hotswap gasket keyboard design supports most 3-pin and 5-pin switches, allowing users to personalize their typing experience with preferred switch options. To ensure a quieter typing and gaming experience, the keyboard includes built-in noise-absorbing materials, effectively minimizing internal noise. With programmable features, users can easily customize backlight speed, brightness, and modes, tailoring the keyboard's functionality to individual needs. Although MX switches and keycaps are not included, the kit is compatible with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, offering flexibility for further customization.